Hello guys, today I want to tell you about wonderful book, Blood, Sweat and Pixels. In Russian it looks like this, but in English it looks like this: Blood, Sweat and Pixels. It's a book from Jason Schreier. Why I recommend this book? First of all, this book contains 10 real stories of development process of 10 real games. Which games are in book? It's Pillars of Eternity, Uncharted 4, Stardew Valley, Diablo 3, Halo Wars, Dragon Age Inquisition, Shovel Knight, Destiny, The Witcher 3, Star Wars 1313. I think you know most of these games, except Star Wars 1313 because it's not published yet. 3 conclusions that I made after reading this book. First one. The main problem of every studio is lack of funding. As I understand, most of the studios have the same problem. They don't have enough funding to finish their game, to make the game as cool as they want to do. And it's the real problem. When you read a story, for example, about Star Wars 1313, you understand that if studio don't have their own money, their own funding, it may lead to even cancel the project. The second conclusion. It's impossible to predict the date of release. Absolutely all the studios are wrong in the timing of their release dates. I can't say that it is a problem, but it is so, and you just need to have it in mind when you plan your work as a studio owner. Why is it so? As I understand, game development is a really creative process, and you need to repeat this development process as many times as you can do. You can start from prototyping, you can make some art, and you can make testing. If the result is not so good as you expected, you need to repeat it from the start. Prototype, art, test. Prototype, art, test, and so on. It means that you just can't predict the date of release, because you don't know how many circles you need to do. Okay, and the third conclusion that I want to share with you, that the most successful studios can work on their games as much time as they need. They don't have the restrictions in funding, in timing, in contract issues and something else. For example, the third Witcher. It's really cool game. Why CD Projekt Red did so fantastic game? Because they have enough funding from their e-store GOG.com. Because they have unlimited funding from outside this company, and it means that they can focus only on game development, and they can repeat the circle of development as many times as they want. And one more interesting thing, average studio in the USA spend about $10,000 per one employee. For me, it's impossible amount of money for one employee, and it means that we have so many possibilities to be successful, because in Russia this amount is 5 times lower. It means that $2,000 for one employee, it's really good salary. So if you're interested in game development, find this book, buy it and read it. I really recommend it. Now subscribe to my channel, and if you have examples of books that you want to recommend to me, please do it in the comments. I will really appreciate it. Bye!